Hi there. Welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
South Africa, good afternoon. Please help me get this message through to Sis Jacinta Nobaba Nkosinathi Phakela Umthakathi. And everyone that they are working with in fighting for the nation of South Africa and its people. Number one, I would love for you guys to know that the work that you are doing is not of yourselves. And secondly, that you are not on your own. You have been called, you have been appointed for such a time as this. Thirdly, you are an answer to prayers that have been offered in secret places, to groanings that have been made. Many of us over the years, we have watched South Africa turning into a lawless country while we did not have much voice and influence in the physical. We went before the throne of God and we cried and asked the Lord to raise people that would stand for what is right, who would be fearless. With that said, I want to say thank you for answering the call. Thank you for agreeing to doing what's right. You are not alone. There is a heavy spiritual backing that you have. Fear not. No matter what happens from today going forward, I want you guys to know that you have been prayed for and you are being prayed for your protection. And we continue to pray that whoever rises up against you may be utterly destroyed in your presence. And I pray for peace in your inner cycle. I pray for unity within the people that you work with. There may be people seeking to take out your lives because you are a distraction to their agenda. An agenda of oppressing the people of South Africa. Because you are a distraction and to what they plan to do about this nation. And you are raising and asking the right questions. You are a pain in what they are doing. But I want you to know that you are not alone. See, some of us are not warriors in the physical. Some of us may not be able to stand in the physical battlefield. But in the spirit realm, we know the power and the influence that we have. And therefore, we are going to continue to back you up in the spirit realm. I'm speaking for me and those that believe in the work that you are doing. We have watched the international community deliberately, misinterpreting that which you are doing. Deliberately, spreading propaganda because they don't want law, because they are not ethical. When this is done and dusted and the wicked are removed from the positions of power, because they will be removed, the season says so, South Africa will be a peaceful nation. South Africa will be ruled by righteousness and justice. And the nations of the world shall envy South Africa. So be strong and be courageous. Just guard against one thing. Let there be no bloodshed on the land of South Africa. But continue fighting, and I pray that God continues to give you all the resources you need, that God continues to give you the strength and the courage. This might be taking a lot out of you, out of your souls, but you are not alone. I don't want to say I'm speaking for the whole Christian community right now. I'm speaking as a member of the Christian community, I'm speaking for myself and those that believe in the work that you are doing. Go in the strength that you have, knowing very well that in the spirit realm, because this is a spiritual battle, this is a spiritual war that we are also fighting. I appreciate you that you chose to answer. We can also tick off some of the prayer lists or prayer points that we've had, saying that, Lord, you are answering us. Thank you. Sibambisene nani, futhi sibamba ngazo zozibini. Qhubekani ngalamandla ninawo, ningoyiki aninodwanga. Ndiyabulela.
Uyabona nalo. Siyabona mosibafethu babhizi bayehla bayenyuka bezama ukulwela yona iSouth Africa ukuthi kuyele esimeni esiright. But inkinga kunalo. Uyabona lo noma ungamconvince wenzeni never. Angamana hamba aye ko DRC aye ko USA ayolanda amasosha wagcwalisela iSouth Africa ukuthi kubulawa wona lama South Africa. Angeke umconvince lo never. Njengamanje siyabona ama-march left and right, Durban, Eastern Cape, Thokoza, siyabona kubhizi nje. But uthini lona ngalezi zinto ezenzakalayo la eSouth Africa? Mabe mhlambe lento le march nani izophasa. Uthini lo? Ithini respond kalo ebuya kulo? Uvalelana thulile. But once laba benza mistake. Laba nje benza mistake nje laba. Uzobona. Kodwa laba mabe kunento abayenzayo wrong. Uvala lana. Lo. So mina bafethu njengamanje ngithi as long as lo esa operator ngalendlela operator ngakhona. Mina ngiyiboni lento ilunga. Ngiyibona iqhubeka nje. Ngoba lo inkinga yakhe unepower ene lo unemali. Yabona mabe nithi niyamacha. Lo unibhekile lo. Yabo. Akanandaba nalaba. Laba akanandaba nabo. Laba akanasikhathi sabo. Ubheke nina ma South Africans. Lo. Laba ukuthi bayathengisa ama drugs, ukuthi laba bangena ngokomthethweni, ukuthi laba bathenga ama ID, ukuthi laba bayabulala, akanandaba nabo. But ubheke imistake yenu nina. Eyona mistake ayibhekile la, mistake yalaba. Ubheke once laba benza mistake, shayile. Kinga la esinayo ulo. Yabona ma ukuthi thina sifuna ukuyinqoba yonke lento, gudluzani lo. Problem ulo. As long kusaphethe lo, mina ngasho ngathi as long kusaphethe lo, because lona phela nikhumbula ukuthi umnyama lo. Umnyama lo. Ulo nithi nina, hayi thina sakhuleka, ulo. Problem isinayo la. Ulo. Le ndaba ye-march bafethu yabona njengamanje kuthiwa ngeyi-30 abayahamba akunamuntu ozohamba ngoba kusekhona lo. Akekho umuntu ozohamba as long kusekhona lo. Akunamuntu ozohamba, abantu bazoqhubeka ba-operate. Mangathi uyabhekisisa njengamanje lithe abahamba. Ungahamba uye la ko-Sandton bagcwele lapha. Ungahamba uye ko-Midrand bagcwele lapha. Bryanston bagcwele la. Wena uthi mabahambe. Akunamnyakazo ozwenzeka as long kusekhona lo. Afethu mina sengibuya nje eThephini ukuyogeza izandla. Mina ngifike ngageza izandla nale nkukhu bese ngithi ngiyayibamba lapha namanzi wakhona. Hayi ngiwachithile bafethu. Ibalekile.
Hey, ma-South African, siyovuka uma sekwenze njani? nangu uJacinta uyayilwele iSouth Africa sithulile. Umile usisi umile eqinisweni akanyakazi akathini. Ngisho sebamthreatenisha ngokumbulala kodwa akanyakazi. Sihleli thina singama South African sithulile. uDJ Warras wayelwa alwela ama hijack building. Sithulile sigoqa izandla baze bambulala khani simemeza ukuthi hey bekuyinsizwa le ndoda le ndoda beyimile iqiniso. Izona izinto esizenzayo thina singama South African. Sikhuluma umuntu masekashonile. Hayi bafitha siyekeleni lento le. Asiyekeleni ma South African. Nangu uJacinta ulwela into eright. Asimesekeni. Ngoba phela thina igcine nithina esemgxekayo kodwa lo muntu ulwela thina. Ngoba lento yama illegal foreigner mawungathi uyayibuka kahle kahle sesikhuluma iqiniso nje uJacinta im affect directly. uJacinta kusinguye oswela ispace abantu abakhe ukuthi bangene esikolweni. Abantu abakhe bane space esikolweni bangenile esikolweni. uJacinta kusinguye okhalayo ukuthi mafemu achashe ama foreigner thina sithola imisebenzi asikhona ukondla imndeni yethu. Yimi nawe esikhalayo ukuthi ama foreigner asithathele imisebenzi. uJacinta akaza khala ukuthi ama foreigner emaffect ukuthi ama foreigner a drive ama truck thina sinabo code 14 kodwa sichashwa. Yimi nawe sinaleyo nkinga. So kahle kahle uJacinta ulwela mina nawe. Mara mina nawe ukuthi simsupport sithi no xenophobic. Xenophobic ngani ngokulwela iqiniso. Angithi mawungene kuleli kumele ube namaphepha uphelele. Asinankinga nokuthi uze la kodwa yiba namaphepha akho aphelele sazi ukuthi uze lana ubuyapi uzokwenzani. Bafethu mina ngibe disappointed. Nangalo sesi walapha eAddington akhuluma ukuthi uJacinta akayekele ama foreigner akubhalise abantu abakhe noma banganamaphepha babhalise labantu ababo. Ngimangela bafethu ukuthi awulosisi kanti ucabanga kanjani. Ngafisa kuyibona indoda yakhe. Hayi ngeke bafethu. Intombi ecabanga kanje or umfazi ucabanga kanje. Kahleni madoda, kahleni madoda. Ngisho kwamina phela ngiSouth African. Uma ngabe ngifuna ukwenza something I must produce my ID. Into nje engiyaziyo use South African uyayazi le ukuthi mangabe ufuna ukwenza something, mangabe ufuna ukuvula iaccount ufuna ukwenzani, ufuna iID. Ngaphandle kweID angeke uzoncedakala. You must produce something. Mayoregister umntwana esikolweni. Kufuneka zonke lezi zinto, ama birth certificate, incwadi yase clinic kufuneka zonke lezi zinto lezi. You register umntwana. Wazi kahle ukuthi kufuneka ini. Mara lo sesiyeni ukuthi hayi ama foreigner wa register ngaba angayenzi next, angakhiphi next paper. Register umuntu nje ungamazi ukuthi ungibani, igama lakhe babakunika lona lakhe ngempela. Uya register uthini? Kahleni bafethu. Esinye isikhathi madoda besikhuzeni nalabafazi makobe basebenzisa inqondo, hayi khani basihlazisa. Yini nje lento ayikhulumayo. Register kanjani umuntu unganayo nephepha eli1 lakhe? Izwe liyohamba kanje. 30-40 years down the line sobona president eforeign. Yuthi mase sicala sithi lona phela akakwazi ukuthi angaba neparty inini akasi South African. Bakuvezele lama report ukuthi lo muntu ngo2026 wayenza grade 1 eAddington Primary. Ngo2021 wayefunda kuphi lo muntu iSouth African. Kuzoba ukuthi iSouth African ngoba phela alikho iphepha elimkhomba ukuthi uyiforeign. Bayomfakela zonke izinto la. Njengoba sekuvela ukuthi manje labantu baka Home Affairs nabo abasafake ima ID kuphela. Sebafake nama ID abantu abashonile. Shuthi umuntu wakeni makashonile ID yakhe bayithengisela iforeign nabo my friend. Liyahamba izwe. And izwe lihambiswa yimi nawe. Mina nawe sithulile inkohlakalo yenzakala. Ngoba manje ama South African ayesupporta le nkohlakalo. Mina nawe sifuna iqiniso, asenze next sithulile. So ukuthanda kwami iqiniso mina nawe kusiza ngani singani. Nangu uJacinta usukumile uyalo. Mina nawe sithulile sibhizi senza ma TikTok challenge anganamsebenzi kodwa izwe lona liyahamba. Akusisukumeni ma South Africa. Ngiphatheke kabi namuhla ukuthi uJacinta walwa yazi walimela iqiniso, walimela isisi uqiniso. Into ehlula amadoda ukuthi iqinisweni siyahluleka. Sikhuluzemzela ngemuva nje asikhuluma siphumela obala. Akekho umuntu ophumela ubala ngendaba yama foreign. NguJacinta nje uyibeka straight ukuthi futhi akawazondi ukuthi umuntu makeza la South Africa akeze nama particulars akhe aphelele. Sazi ukuthi uyaphi ufunani la. Hayi umuntu encumncela abuye lana sekahudule basekalayisha abantwana bagcwalisa iTruck abuye la azobachitha la ukuthi abangene isikole. Kokuqala labo teacher abafundisi laba bhadarwa yithi ama taxpayers. Manje thina abantu abethe kumele bangafundi, kufunde abantwana bama foreign. Kunabantu bomama bebakhala ukuthi last year abantu abakazange bafunde abantu ababo. azange bafuni na this year still abana space futhi abantu bethu akumelanga bafuni ngoba thina sinamali ukuthi sidizele uprincipal maforina yakwazi ukudiza kumele kufunde bona ezweni lethu kodwa iconstitution ithi every child has a right to education yible le right to education uma ngabe kufunda amaforina abantu bethu bangafuni phela iconstitution ikhuluma nathi ma South African ayikhulumi nomhlaba wonke that's why bathi iconstitution of South Africa not constitution of Africa sicaciseni leyo ukuthi uma ithi every child has a right to education ikhuluma nathi ma South African ayikhulumi neAfrica asiyeke nokuinterpret iconstitution ngamasimba iyanyanyisa lento le so hayi bafethu ngiyacela ake sisukumeni ake simsupporteni uJacinta sisupporteni iMarch i-right ngoba iyasihlanganisa singama South African akusiyi political party iMarch kube yi-political party bese soba divided so iyona into eyodwa ekwazi ukuthi singama South African sihlangane sodwa sibe yinto eyodwa sikhulume ngizwe lodwa ake sihlanganeni ku-March ngiyanicela seyisikhathi ukulinda okunye la sokulinda ingozi ngiyanicela ama South African ngiyanicela ngomoya ophansi zonke inhlangano zahlanganeni EFF MK IFP ANC konke nawe ANC akuvuke emacandeni izwe liyamoshakala ukhona nithulile ningabaholi nithulile benihleli lemruling angaze ngikhulume ngendaba yama-foreign banjwe abantwana amabhasini bantwana bagcwele banganamaphepha nithulile ni-ANC anikhulumi next bafethu kahleni bafethu asibekeni ipolitiki this time ake sibekeni ipolitiki aside sike siyibekeni kancane ke sisolvele lenkinga yama-foreign yothi mase sisolvile bese siyabuyela kupolitiki yethu nokugxekana kwethu but for now asimeni kancane ngepolitiki yethu ake siyibekeni aside sike sisolvele indaba yama-illegal foreigner ukuthi abahambe umuntu onganaphepha la akahambe umntwana ongana-maphepha afanele ukuthi aregister esikolweni akaregister akabuyele emuva kokuqala nje ukuba la South Africa unganamaphepha kuyicala lokho so register kanjani esikolweni ngoba vele sophula umthetho wena kokuqala ufike njani la unganamaphepha bafethu hayi mina ngiphatheke kabi shem uJacinta yazi angazi anginayo igolide nesiliva sesikuthi ngakubonga ngani kodwa ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu uyokubonga mina ngithi ngimile nawe 100%. South Africa vuka daki liyahamba izwi maforeni yalithatha lokho sibukela udlala lokho wenza ama TikTok challenge ujive imini yonke South Africa niyahamba yothi uthi phapha uthola ukuthi wonke igolo zala South Africa igcwele amaforeni nabo prince bakhona semaforeni singasafundi thina abantu bethu bangasafundi ilizwe lingafundanga lifana neimpumputhe bokwazi lokho danko.
South Africans are calling other South Africans to join this march in order to fix the country. But others are also saying this march will not be effective as long as obviously ANC is still there, because remember, they don't stand with whatever that march is doing. They stand with foreigners, which this is something that I've been saying for the longest time, that South Africans are actually taking out their anger to wrong people. Yes. The right fight will be fighting the government straight. You fight those people because they are the ones who have the power to change everything. Trust me, if only the government can take South Africans seriously and stand and implement rules and laws, those rules and laws will be effective immediately. You will not even have to stand up and go and do march somewhere, or, chase those for, you don't even have to do that. The fact the government can stand up and implement laws and rules just like any other country that puts its citizens first. If they do that and implement those rules to say, okay, if you are a foreigner in South Africa, you are not allowed to do hair business. You are not allowed to do a beauty business. You're not allowed to do this kind of business because these businesses are only reserved for South Africans. No foreigner will even break that law. There is no foreigner that is going to break that law. But the fact that the government is just quiet, which means they stand with this. Which now brings me to Malema, because I know that so many people hate Julius Malema. Like, they are always bashing him. Every leader of South Africa, they do stand with what Malema is saying. It's just that they cannot say it out loud. They will just keep quiet. Right now, they are just quiet. They're not saying anything, but their quietness actually tells a lot to say they stand with foreigners.